Hello and welcome to HuskiApps. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the product sample and memo app on your Shopify store. Let's start by going through the various tabs and options available in the app. So first of all, click on the settings and then click on enable app embed, enable, and then save. Now come back to our app. This is the dashboard tab where you can track important details such as the total users, total sales, today orders, last 7 days orders. It provides a quick overview of product sample app order details. Let's move on setting tab. Here you can configure or customize the product sample app. The first section you will see is the sample type. There are two types of sample types. The first one is a global sample with the same price for all products. It means one sample will show on you all products. You just enter the sample price and just copy the URL and paste the here and then click on save setting. You can see the get sample button. You can see the here is the sample product image and the price added. The second option is to have a multiple samples with different prices. There is a two options. First option is offer samples to some products only. If you select this option, so you can choose this offer samples to specific products only. This means you can show samples button on the change the price of each sample product individually. Just select the product and set the price. Click on choose the product. Enter the price. Open the product. Click on get sample. You can see the price is 15. An image will be fetched for the first image of product. See. On the back end side we added the price 15. So front side it will be showing here $15 price. The second option is offer sample to some products, filter by product tags. It means you can set the sample button tag wise on your store. Here is the things you need to fill up. Product tag name. Important thing, tag name should be same as the you added on product. Let me explain you everything. So for example, this is my product. So here I added the sample tag already. Write the name sample, price 25, and again copy the URL of image, paste here. You can add multiple tags, like for example another fashion, and then click on save. You can see the button get a sample. The price is $25. You can see we set the price 25. Sample image URL you can see. In the translation section, you can customize the button name, text, alert message to match your store's branding and language preference. For example, you want to change the button text and then click on save setting. See, here is the text changed. Let's move on other settings. We have a redirect option. You can choose option you want to customers to be redirected to the checkout page or the cart page when they click on a sample button. Let's move on limit sample per customer. If you want to set a limit on the number of samples a customer can purchase, you can enable the limit sample per customer option. Maximum sample setting. You can define the maximum quantity of samples a customer can purchase. The everyday settings allow you to set a specific time period between a sample purchases. For example, if you set a limit of 30 days, so customer will only able to purchase their next sample after the completion of the 30-day period. About this option, check this box to allow users to add multiple samples to the cart at once. It means If you check this checkbox, customer will able to add multiple samples to their cart. By default, this checkbox is not selected, which means customers can add a single sample product to their cart at a time. Let's move on shipping rate option. You can choose the default shipping rate of your store or a free shipping for a sample product. Move on custom class option. For stores with themes outside of Shopify's default themes, the custom class options allows you to add the class name of your product page. This ensures that the sample button will be displayed exactly where you want it to be. Let me explain about the custom class. Right click, inspect, click on this custom class. I want to show the sample product button below the share button. So I just copy the share button class from here and paste here, and then click on save settings. Now refresh the page. You can see. Now let's move on the customize tab. In the sample button section, you can customize the background color and text color of the sample button to match your store's design. You can select the background color and you can also change the text color. Then click on save. See, it's changed. If you want a sticky button to be displayed on your store, you can enable the sticky button option. You can enter the button text, add a link to your sample product collection or any other link you want to add. Choose the option link should open in the same tab or a new tab, and even the button alignment to the center, left or right of your store's interface. Additionally, you can customize the background color and text color through sticky button. Then click on save. Let's refresh here. You can see the button is showing here. Moving on the help desk tab, you can find the helpful articles. Click on the visit help desk. If you need immediate assistance, our support team is just message away. Click on the live support button to get in touch with us. Finally, in the more apps tab, you can discover the other apps that can help your store grow and thrive. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact our support team. Have a great day.